How to make stained glass stepping stones. Stained glass stepping stones are elegant and can be personalized. Making a stained glass stepping stone requires a basic knowledge of glass cutting and some patience. Make your stepping stones in any size, shape or design you wish. This stained glass project takes 2 to 3 hours to complete depending on the detail of the design. Things you will need: stained glass, glass cutting tool, stepping stone mold, sack of concrete, grout, steel brush, sealant. Select a pattern you want to use for your stained glass. If you have never cut stained glass before, choose a simple pattern. Cutting large pieces of glass is much easier than cutting fine details into the glass. Cut the glass with a glass cutter to match your pattern. Hold the glass cutter in your hand with your thumb on the glass. Press down with about 6 pounds of pressure. Pick the glass up and push at the cut line. The glass will snap apart. Lay the stone mold on a flat surface. Place the stained glass in the bottom of the mold to create your design. This works like an upside-down cake. Put the front of the glass on the bottom. When it is finished, remove the stone from the mold, and the stained glass will be the top. Spread the grout along the edges of the glass to hold the glass together. Spread it over all of the corners. The grout will sink into the holes between the pieces of stained glass. Mix and pour the concrete into the stone mold. Follow the specific instructions printed on the concrete bag to mix it. Fill the mold with the concrete and smooth over the top to make the stone flat. Allow the concrete to dry. When the stone is completely dry, remove it from the mold. Clean the stained glass with the wire brush to remove any concrete or grout that has seeped through to the other side. Lay the stone in the sun and allow it to cure. Coat the stone with sealant to prevent any damage from weather. Tips: warnings. If made properly, this stepping stone will last for 40 to 50 years.